In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Serpentine belt on your Ford F-150 located on the front of your engine. Now to access the front of the engine, it's going to be super accessible right from underneath the front between the intercooler and the frame of the truck. Now you have access to everything right here. Now in order to remove the belt, you want to go ahead and access the belt tensioner, which is this one right here. Now before we remove that belt, it's ideal if you can go ahead and use something and map out your belt routing around all of these pulleys. You can either take a picture of it or just draw it out on a piece of paper. Using our 13mm socket extension and our 1/2-inch drive ratchet, we're going to come right up here to that center bolt on the tensioner. And we're going to rotate it clockwise. And you'll be able to see it move. See that? And it's going to release the tension on our belt. So we're going to pull that down, slide the belt off. Then we can bring that up and remove our tool. Good, remove that belt. Let's now go ahead and grab the new belt and get that installed. Let's go ahead and get our belt up into position here. Now as I'm doing this here, you can follow the diagram on the screen. The key thing when installing one of these belts is making sure that it is fully on the pulley and not hanging off either direction. So when installing the belt, we have to get our ratchet over the bolt on the tensioner. You can't really do that and then stretch the belt over. It's just not gonna have the clearance room to do that. So put it over the tensioner, make sure the belt is routed properly. We're gonna go ahead and get this on our tensioner. Make sure we have enough room in that ratchet to go ahead and move that. Now as you pull this down, we gotta get this up and over this idler on this side here. It's always good to get it on the idler that has a smooth edge on it. It's tough to get the belt wrapped on something that has teeth on it because those usually have a higher ridge. There we go. We can release the tension on the tensioner. But now you want to go ahead and run your hand over all of these pulleys. Make sure that the belt is fully seated on all of these. Anything that the ribs run over, and ours is perfect. So the tensioner is now released and our belt is installed.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.